Welcome to clickmyproject.com. The title of the project is A Survey on Brain Tumor Detection based on Structural MRI using Machine Learning and Deep Learning Technique. The abstract of the project is the brain tumor tissue detection allows localizing a mass of abnormal cells in a slice of magnetic resonance. The automation of this process is useful for post pre-processing of the extracted region of interest like the tumor segmentation. However, is commonly used due to its superior image quality and the fact of relying on non-ionizing radiations. However, deep learning is a subfield of machine learning and recently showed a remarkable performance, especially in classification and segmentation problem. A deep learning method based on a convolutional neural network is proposed to classifying different brain tumor types using publicly available dataset. The segmentation in medical images was more helpful for identification than diseased portion in the images. The tumor portion obtained using thresholding process is considered as the initial portion of the segmentation process. The image pixels surrounding the tumor portion that were having similar values nearly the input region is grouped. Counters were extracted around the detector region. The process is repeated till the boundary the detection region is within the input region. Flow diagram of the project is take the input images and extract the images using augmentation method. Then it processed into pre-processing method. In pre-processing method, we are going to do thresholding. In thresholding method, we are going to segment the tumor images and cropping the tumor images. After segmentation is processed into feature extraction. In feature extraction, we are going to split the train and test dataset of the MRI brain tumor images. And then it processed into classification method. In classification method, the machine learning algorithm and deep learning algorithm was applied and find the tumor in the brain MRI images. In performance analysis, the support vector machine is applied to find the accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score and support values. The CNN is applied to find the training accuracy, validation accuracy, training loss and validation loss, and it was plotted as the graphical representation. I am going to run my project in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE. Threshold segmentation original image. This is cropped image from threshold segmentation. This is no tumor images. This is tumor image. This is tumor images. Support declamation accuracy is 60%. This is precision recall F1 score support value of SVM. Accuracy value of CNN is 84%. This is training loss and validation loss graph. This is training accuracy and validation accuracy graph. This is support vector machine and convolution neural network accuracy differentiation plot. This is original segmented image. This is cropped segmentation image. This is Y value of no tumor. Y prediction value. Y test value. Y train value. Y validation value.